There are lots of ways to change background and margin color in Photoshop. I'll show you one of my favorite ways to do that. First, prepare the photo and the background that you want to replace. Make sure to put the new background below the subject. Now we have to remove the original background. To do that, you can find the search icon in the upper right corner. Choose it. The Discover window pops out. Scroll down and choose Quick Action. There are many actions in here. Feel free to try it out whenever you like. Now, select Remove the background. Apply. There you go. Photoshop AI helps us to separate the background from the subject, and it is amazing. We just need to match the color of the subject and background for now. Create a curved adjustment layer. Make sure to click on this icon to clip and match it to the subject layer, so the effect will not apply to the background layer. Choose Auto. Select Fine and Dark Light Colors. In Target Color, you have to choose the shadow, mid-tone, and highlights in the photo to let the Photoshop to know and do its analysis. Now the color of the subject is matching with the background. Let's increase a bit of contrast to the subject by increase the highlight and decrease shadow in the white light, which is RGB channel. Quick and easy, right? If you like this tip and want to learn more about Photoshop technique, make sure to click to the link on our profile to get into the YouTube channel. Thank you.